Hello and welcome everybody to my channel. Today we're gonna fix this problem for Epic Games to login it. You can see this is Epic login launcher and this is my account in this browser. We're gonna fix it now. We're gonna close all the browser. We go now to Window, Setting, Control Panel and Programs and Default Program. And we're gonna make the Google Chrome our default program for browsing like that and set up default browser. Okay, and now we're gonna go to our Epic Launcher to login it like that. Cancel. We log on with our Google account, and this is the browser default. And now we're gonna see our launcher Epic Games. He will turn on to be playing. We're gonna log in with our Gmail account. You see here, this is messages. We click to continue and it on us to close this windows and go back to Epic Game Launcher, and here we go, it's successful. I wish it make it for you. This is Epic Game Launcher working now. We're gonna see this is Epic Games. It's working now. We can play and welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like and share the video with your friends. Thanks a lot and goodbye.